back to the point about the United States, employment numbers continue to surprise analysts. Inflation is panning out the way it is. And given that sort of overall robust economic indicators in the United States, do you see the Federal Reserve being able to cut rates and sort of reversing the cycle that we have seen in the recent past?
We've always had cycles. We've always had recessions throughout the world, and we will have them again, I assure you. Politicians say, don't worry, we will not have recessions. You should worry. You should not believe them, because the U.S. has had the longest period in American history without a problem. It means we're getting closer. I have not started selling short in the United States, but I know I can see the signs. Some stocks go up every day. Everybody's very complacent. Debt is going higher. So don't worry, by the end of this year, next year, we will have problems in the American stock market again.
Okay, that's the third or fourth time that you have said this in the interview, and I want to therefore ask you a follow-up on that. What exactly could trigger those problems?
Well, American stocks are making all-time highs, which is wonderful if you own them, but it usually means when you start seeing everybody jumping into the market indiscriminately, it usually, in the past, it has meant that problems will be coming. And we're going to have problems in the U.S. stock market. I don't know when. I'm sure you know better than I do. But when the problems come next time, they're going to be worse than 2008 because the debt is so very, very high now. We had a big problem in 2008 because of too much debt. Oh my gosh, since 2009, the debt has skyrocketed in the U.S. So the next time we have a problem, it has to be very, very, very bad just because the debt is so bad.
And just as you said, gave us this point about the Indian rupee in terms of a policy move that you would like. What would you like to see happening in the United States, perhaps post-November after the election results are out?
Well, if the United States, I said if the United States cuts its spending and cuts its debt, it would be fabulous for the United States and for the world. They're not going to do it. Do not worry, they are not going to do it. But if they did, the whole world would benefit. And the US dollar could have more time, more years on top. But with the way they're going, since the debt goes higher and higher every day, we know that history says that means we're coming to the end. And if India would open its rupee and make it convertible, oh my gosh, India would be rising faster and faster again.